Right guys, I've got an Intex Explorer kayak with a air leak, slight air leak. So I've inflated the kayak and located the puncture to the front seam, just there. Now these do go on these seams, very same with the hot tubs, not just the Intex, Lazy Spa, M Spa. Where you have these seams at the end there, they fatigue, where they inflate and deflate. But I'll be able to show you a quick and easy permanent repair. Let's get to it. So what may you need for this repair? A sharp blade, a small brush, a mixing pot, a blunt tool, PVC patch. This comes, you can get these in different colours with the Lazy Repair adhesive. This comes as a 2-part pack, and some sandpaper of a medium grit. So what you want to do, as we've identified the leak on the kayak, we want at least 10 to 15 mils around the hole, so we can get a good seal. So cut the patch into a circle. So here we have the patch. So you can see we have a shiny side and a satin side. The shiny side is what we want to take off the shine with the sandpaper. You only need to do this lightly. You don't want to take the whole surface off. Just a light brush over with the sandpaper, not too heavy, just to take the shine off. There you go. Now, if you cut your patch out of your PVC patch, you can use this as a template now for applying your 2-part adhesive to the area that you want to repair. So what we can do is get some sellotape to tape around the edge of the patch. Right, so you can see that I've applied the patch with the hole with the damage in the centre. So with the sandpaper, just give this area a slight rough, just for some key. Again, not too heavy, just to take the shine off the area, to give it some key. Now to mix in your 2-part adhesive, so it's 1 part to 20 parts. Mix thoroughly. Once this is mixed with the curing agent, you have about an hour to use this adhesive. So what we want to do is apply with a small brush a liberal amount, even amount across the whole patch on the side that you've that you've roughed with the sandpaper. Now you do this to the area of the kayak as well. So here we are with the kayak. Tricky with one hand of filming. There you go. So with the brush, a liberal amount to the kayak. Now be sure to do this with it deflated, not pressurised with air. So we've waited 2 minutes, and then what you want to do is apply another layer. Just repeat the same process after 2 minutes and do this 3 to 4 times. Right, so we've waited 2 minutes and now we've applied 3 layers of adhesive, both to the patch and to the kayak. So with your smoothing tool, what we do, we use this to smooth the patch onto the kayak to expel any air bubbles, work it right in. The more you spend time on doing this, the better fix you're going to have of a permanent repair. Guys, this is also good for hot tubs. Same thing. And the same process. Now we take the patch to the kayak. So here we are with the kayak. So we place the patch to where we place the adhesive. Now you really want to, from the middle, and push it out to the edges to expel any air bubbles. Now with your blunt tool, once that's down, we can remove this stencil. Just work this in really good. Now once you've finished, you want to leave this patch with a heavy object placed on top for 24 hours. Then come back to it, inflate your kayak, give it a test with some soapy water, and you'll be good to go. Please subscribe, like and share. You can also, the links are in the bottom description for the adhesive. Happy kayaking.